The handling and classification of material and components are regulated in detail in Part 145 in a separate paragraph. We will first explain the different categories for material and components. Then, we will take a closer look at how to deal with them. EASA distinguishes the following 5 component categories. Components in an airworthy condition with an EASA Form 1 or equivalent certificate of release to service. Standard parts. Raw materials and consumables. Components in the status unserviceable. However, they can be maintained. Components in the status unserviceable, which are unsalvageable because they have reached their mandatory life limitation or contain a non-repairable defect. Components with the European Release Certificate EASA Form 1 may be installed in any case. In this case, the Form 1 may have been issued by a Part 21G production organization or a Part 145 maintenance organization. The same applies to foreign release certificates that have been classified by EASA as equivalent to EASA Form 1. For example, the American FAA 81303. Standard parts have been manufactured in accordance with a recognized specification. They are usually recognized as industry standards and are based on fixed criteria for design, production, testing, acceptance, and marking. Examples are EN or SAE, as well as parts according to ASTM or ANSI. Often, the TC holder issues a standard parts catalog for them. Standard parts may be installed in an aircraft without EASA Form 1. A Certificate of Conformity, or COC, is sufficient here.